Okay. What is all this stuff? So we've got. So you got this little. So you got this little Thor and Loki Collector Series little vinyl toy. So and then we've got this Joker painted wooden figurine. We've got this toy here. It's Ben 10. Look, it spins around. Okay. Here's a toy. Are you scared of the toy from? We got this Superman Labbit thing. Then we've got this little miniature little Joker in a flask jar thing. What is that? What is this? I think it's like a Kinder egg toy. This random generic little figurine. This figurine from God knows where it's from. What else we got here? This thing here, this toy here. The Superman's been taken away. Yep, someone's scared of that. More of these little dangle little toys here. Some more random, like a 4-card little dangle toy here. The hell? This, God knows what the hell is this stuff. All random little stuff being put together. Don't know who this is. Little tiny little Joker figurine. Magneto little ninja figurine. Shredder doing the Ninja Turtles thing. This random figurine. This thing here, got a little some generic thing. Some Batman little chain thing. Some Aquaman figurine, Superman figurine. This little bobblehead for, I think, is that Ant-Man? X-Men Wolverine thing. This Hulk vinyl figurine. This, I don't know what that is. Some little, there's some hair there as well. And some scarecrow thing. What is this thing? This is Superman. I don't know what that is. The Batman one of those. Little Kinder Surprise toy from Ninja Turtles. Silver Surfer little thing here. Hulk Kinder Surprise thing, and a Batman little miniature toy. So that's all the stuff from this random person's made up his own little loot thing with loads of little toys that someone's now going to steal and take with their hands, just taking random toys. What is it? Is it a toy? Is it a toy? What's that? What are you picking up? Okay, so anyway, that's all this stuff. So I'll kind of try and sell this and make back something, I guess, on this random books I bought.